Number 6. The Zyliss Lock and Lift Can Opener is a reliable and efficient tool for any kitchen. With its gray color and 7-inch size, this can opener is both practical and stylish. The combination of nylon and stainless steel materials ensures durability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any household. The stainless steel blade guarantees smooth and precise cutting, and the product's dimensions of 2.24 inches in width and 7.08